How can it get any better than this? Kicking back on the 10th floor of one of the most iconic waterfront buildings in Fall River, Mass, with the best view in the city, just chilling. Let's go check it out. So coming off the elevator on the 10th floor, the unit's right here. Let's go check it out. So this building was built in the 80s. So a lot of the kitchens in the building are still original, where they were closed off, kind of those 80s oak and white kind of cabinets that we were all into back then. So this guy opened it up, redid the whole kitchen, beautiful quartz counters, under cabinet lighting, tile backsplash, full appliance package. You can see it's beautiful. And it just ties in the whole living space together, right? So here we're here in the living room now, nice table, eating area. So one of my favorite things about the layout of this unit is the 2 bedrooms and 2 baths are separated. So 1 bed, 1 bath over there, and 1 bed, 1 bath behind me. I think that's really cool. Everyone kind of gets their privacy. This bedroom has, I think, the bigger closet. Beautiful views. Every window in this condo, I mean, it's just amazing views. So before we head to the other bedroom, let's look at this bathroom. So this owner's updated it, put a new vanity, quartz top, nice floors. The tub, this one has a tub, tile surround. Look at this gym. Pretty cool little feature, right? Come down here, hit the treadmill, hit the ellipse, whatever this thing is called. I like it. Awesome common area. Kind of an open room. You want to have some guests over, you want to hang out with other people in the building. Great spot for that. So this bathroom has a full stand-up shower. Again, new vanity, new floors, good tasteful updates. A lot of these units in this building have not been touched. So this is one of the nice ones. Let's check out this bedroom though. So why is this my favorite room in the house? This is the corner of the unit, right? It's an exterior corner. You got windows on 2 walls. This is the brightest room in the place. So this unit comes with 2 parking spaces. One right here that we're standing in inside the garage, and the other one outside. And one more thing, look how close you are to the door. You're parked here, door's right over there. I park a lot in Fall River. The spots are always wicked tight. Look at this. Door all the way open, not near the other car. This is a nice, spacious parking spot. So that's it, guys. Unit 1012 at the iconic Point Gloria on the water in Fall River. If you love this unit and you want to check it out, let's connect. Just click the link in the description and we will get together and show you your next home. Thanks, guys.